ICAM Licensing 2012 can be installed from page 2 ScanToTAS installation. Click on the link ICAM Licensing, Startup the automatic setup. If a security warning of Internet Explorer is shown, click on Run as follows. The ICAM Licensing setup first check if the 3264-bit components are present. After clicking on OK, the ICAM Licensing Setup wizard is started up. The installation is easy and you just have to follow the steps. To activate the license, you should send the first 3 items to the license@admsolutions.eu. Application title, site code, and MID. After several minutes, you will receive an email from ADM Solutions with the activation code. Now copy the code and paste it in the text box activation code. Now click on Continue and this finishes the activation. Now we should start the service from here. Now click on Start menu and go to the ADMS licensing service, then on License Checker. Click on Single Check. The status bar shows that the license occurred successfully.